Hey everybody, welcome to Fit After 40. This is Fit After 40. Welcome, and I'm glad you're here. Well, let's get right into it. Again, I want to welcome to the channel, Fit After 40. Thanks for coming, and I'll be your guide on my new fitness journey. Just a little bit about me. I'm over 45, overweight, and I decided that I'm over with the overweight life. So I'm going to make some changes, not trying to get beefed up or nothing insane beyond anything realistic. Simply to get in great physical shape, remove the dad bod and exchange it for the sexy grandpa. And of course, as I learn and discover exercises, recipes, routines, and different motivations that'll help your health and my health, I'll freely share them with you all. So please share with your friends, share with your spouse, share with your family members, so we can all improve together on this journey. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't miss out on a thing. Let's get fit together. Peace out. See you in the next video.